Magnolia. It's time for Sound of the Week. Clover the cat is joining me this week. Let's sing the Sound of the Week song so everybody knows it's time. Ready? Sound of the week. 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 I think Clover is not wanting to be a part of Sound of the Week this week. I'll let her, maybe she's joining us in the basket. Clover, you don't have the Sound of the Week in your name. Our Sound of the Week this week is ooh. I hear ooh in spoon, and I hear ooh in raccoon. I don't hear ooh in cat, Clover. Let's trace ooh. Are you ready? Ooh. 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 Ooh is made up of two blue sandpaper letters. Do you see? Ah plus ah makes ooh. That's our Sound of the Week this week. I'm going to get out my invisible pencil. Will you trace ooh with me? Let's start out with a big one. Ready? Ooh. I'm gonna make a small one. Ooh. Medium size. Shall we do it? Ready? Ooh. Let's see what you brought for Sound of the Week this week.